What is social conservatism? First up is social conservatism. This is all about sticking to traditional values and societal norms. Social conservatives care a lot about issues like family, religion, and morality. They usually support policies that promote traditional family structures, oppose changes to gender roles, and want religious principles to play a big role in public life. Some of the key issues for social conservatives include opposition to abortion, same-sex marriage, and euthanasia. They also advocate for religious freedom and often support things like prayer in schools or religious displays in public spaces. For them, keeping a moral and ethical society is super important, and they believe that too much change too quickly can mess up the long-standing traditions and values that hold society together. What is fiscal conservatism? Let's talk about fiscal conservatism. Fiscal conservatives focus on economic policies that involve limited government spending, low taxes, and a free market economy. They believe that economic freedom leads to prosperity and that individuals should have the freedom to make financial decisions without too much government interference. Fiscal conservatives push for reducing the national debt, balancing budgets, and minimizing government involvement in the economy. They think that a smaller government is more efficient and that it helps business thrive. Policies like tax cuts, deregulation, and privatization are often supported by fiscal conservatives, where they meet and where they don't. There are times when social and fiscal conservatism overlap and times when they don't. For example, both might agree on the importance of personal responsibility and self-reliance, but they might disagree when economic policies clash with social values like government funding for social programs. A social conservative might support government funding for programs that align with their values, like family support services, while a fiscal conservative might oppose such funding because they want to reduce government spending. These differences can sometimes lead to tension with the conservative movement as they try to balance these priorities. Influence on political parties. In the US, the Republican Party has generally been the home for both social and fiscal conservatives. However, the balance between these two can vary. Politicians often have to navigate these dynamics to appeal to their constituents. For example, a candidate might focus on fiscal conservatism by pushing for tax cuts and deregulation during their campaign. Another candidate might focus on social conservatism by advocating for policies that protect religious freedom and traditional family structures.